Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'll show you the Disney Descendants dolls that I got. I recently got these dolls in a local Dutch store because they were only €4, so I really couldn't pass on them. So I got this Mal, Evie, and Freddie doll. I do know that these dolls are already pretty old, but I've never seen them up close, so I wanted to unbox and check them out together with you guys. First off, I have this Mal doll from the first Descendants movie. The doll comes with a spell book and her shoes. On the box, it says Disney Descendants Isle of the Lost. Then on the back of the box, it shows Dove Cameron in her Mal costume from the first movie, and it tells you that Mal is the daughter of Maleficent, and that the doll is made by Hasbro. Then we have Evie, who comes with a broken mirror, a necklace, and a pair of shoes as well. This box also says Disney Descendants Isle of the Lost, and on the back it shows a picture of Sophia Carson, and it tells you that Evie is the daughter of the evil queen. The box for Freddie is a little different, since she comes with a mask and a purse, but she's already wearing her shoes. This box also says Disney Descendants Isle of the Lost, but on the back of the box there's an animation of the character, since this doll was actually based on the Ways to be Wicked animated series. And now, let's unbox them. The dolls were actually really easy to remove from the packaging, because you can simply slide them out of the box and then just cut off the tags to remove them from the cardboard base. So now, let's talk about some of the things that I like and I dislike about these dolls. What I really like are the accessories they come with, like this book for Mal, this bag for Freddie, and the mirror for Evie. I also really love the way their hands are sculpted. The hands look so elegant, and they also have pretty long nails, which I think would look really cool if you would paint them. What I am not a big fan of is that Mal and Evie both have these sculpted gloves on both hands. They do have the same nice pose with their hands, but they do have those gloves sculpted on. Then what I also don't really like is the quality of their outfits. To me, especially the tops look a lot like plastic. It is really cool that these outfits are separate pieces, so I can mix and match the pieces of the outfits I do love, like the skirt and the leggings. Also, I am loving how detailed their shoes look. I think Evie and Mal have the best shoes, but Freddie's shoes are pretty cute as well. Then the dolls also have these really cute earrings. Evie is wearing these crown earrings. Freddie has these feathers on one side and a flower on the other. And Mal is wearing these golden earrings that I think are supposed to be dragons. I'm not sure what I think of the hair quality yet, because at this point I only brushed the hair out. I will restyle these dolls a bit in this video as well, so stay tuned for that. I actually was extremely shocked by Mal's hair, because I expected it to be a long bob, because that's how it looks from the front. However, the hair in the back is cut super short, so I am gonna trim those front pieces to make them match a lot better with the rest of the hairstyle. Then what I also noticed is that the hats are really loose, so hopefully I can work with that or fix it by adding an elastic band to the neck bag. Now let's see if I can give them a quick restyle. If you want to see a video of me rerooting these dolls, leave a comment down below, because I am planning on rerooting each of these dolls. But first, I want to play a little with their original hair. For Mal, I connect the long front of the hair to the short back by cutting the front at an angle. This creates a shorter bob hairstyle, which I think looks pretty cute. Then for Evie, I'm just gonna take out those front twists to give me a clean base to boil wash the hair. Then for Freddie, I take out those pigtails as well, because I wasn't really feeling the combination of black and white strands in her hair, I simply go in and pull out the white strands from the part line. I actually was quite shocked about how easily I was able to pull out those strands, which was kind of worrying me. After doing that, this is what Freddie looks like before the boil wash. Then I simply dip the heads in boiling water and brush out their hair. At this point, I did notice that the hair quality wasn't my favorite, since the ends did get really frizzy after this boil wash. To fix this, I decided to just cut off the ends of the hair and wrap the hair in straws overnight to give them some loose curl without damaging the hair even more. And this is what the dolls look like after that restyle. I really hope you liked this review and restyle for the Disney Descendants dolls. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see these dolls rerooted as well, leave a comment down below. Also make sure to turn on your notifications to never miss another video, and follow me on Instagram to see more doll pictures as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!